I've met a number of homeowners that think a home addition takes a year to build, but in reality, many additions take closer to 5 or 6 months if it's planned correctly. And today, I'm going to prove it by sharing with you real timelines from 3 home addition projects we've built right here in Sacramento. Before we jump into it, most Sacramento home additions fall into a general range. Smaller bump outs, 4 to 5 months. Major suite additions, 5 to 7 months. Hybrid ADU/addition projects, 6 months or more. These timelines include permits, material lead times, inspections, and finish work. Okay, let's get to it. This first project was a large-scale 800 square foot rear addition in Arden Park, turning an L-shaped property into a U-shape. The homeowners had just had their 3rd child and needed some more room. This addition transformed a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property into a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property. After everything was finished, the homeowners had successfully added a full primary suite, ensuite bath, plus closet, guest bath, and nursery bedroom. The total build time for this project was about 5.5 months. The top 3 factors of this build that contributed to the timeline were, number 1, this project was only accessible through the side gate, which was about 4 or 5 feet. This limited our demolition equipment options and made it very difficult to bring in materials on site. Number 2, once we opened up the access to the main residence, we had to protect the main house from dust and debris. So we were constantly taking down and putting up job site protection as we were working. Number 3, sometimes fixtures come in damaged or are found to be defective and must be reordered. Because some of the plumbing fixtures were designer grade, this took a lot longer than normal to get in. This next home addition project was a lot smaller, just over 300 square feet. The homeowner wanted to bump out the rear corner of the house to effectively add a new large master bedroom to the property with a new master bath. The homeowner decided to bump out the existing rear structure of the house by about 16 feet. Though the addition was a lot smaller than the Arden Park addition we mentioned earlier, there was a ton of complexity in this build. The total build time for this project was about 6 months. The top 3 factors of this build that contributed to the build timeline were, number 1, because special consultants had to be brought in to this project, like the concrete scanning company and the soils engineer, we became at the mercy of their schedules, which are not good for ours. Number 2, there were some decisions that the client made late in the planning stage as well as during construction that caused minor delays from ordering new products and modifying existing work to accommodate the newly chosen products. Number 3, the inspector had a few corrections that were different from other jurisdictions we are more familiar with. This led to a few more days finding products that were in compliance and the rework that was associated with those corrections. This last home addition project is a garage conversion plus ADU combo in the Pocket neighborhood of Sacramento. The homeowner reached out to us to build this because he wanted his mom to have her own room to live on the property. At approximately 700 square feet, this home addition will have 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and a full kitchen as well as its own separate entrance. It's currently in progress and about 2 months away from completion. The total build time for this project is approximately 7 months. The top 3 factors of this build that contributed to the build timeline were, number 1, this project had a decent amount of weather delays because it was built primarily in the fall/winter months. Number 2, an inspector that was not normally on our project came in and had questions regarding items that were already inspected. Because he needed clarifications from his superior before we could move forward, this actually added an entire week to our schedule. Number 3, because there was an electrical panel upgrade, we had to wait over a month to get on the local utility company's schedule. This caused several weeks of delays. There you have it, guys. Hope that helps you get a better understanding of how long a home addition takes to build. In summary, most additions land around 5 to 7 months. Small bump outs can be faster. Structural complexity can add time. Hybrid ADU/garage addition builds take longer. As for the 6 key factors that can affect your project timeline, these are, number 1, permitting speed. Number 2, structural tie-ins, that's your roof lines, your foundations, etc. Number 3, utility complexity. That's your plumbing, your electrical, and your sewer runs. And number 4, finish selections. That's your tile, cabinets, and your flooring. Number 5, that's your inspection scheduling. This can add a couple of days here, a couple of days there. Number 6, scope creep mid-project. In our experience, the smoothest additions are the ones where decisions are made early and scope stays clear. If you're planning a home addition in Sacramento and want a realistic timeline based on your property, you can subscribe for real project breakdowns, check out our home addition FAQs on our website, contact us on our website to schedule a walkthrough, or give me a call directly at my phone number below. We'll see you on the next project.